Hey guys, it's Al with techmadeezy, and I just got the brand new S26 Ultra. And I thought I would make a video showing how to use privacy display because it's a really cool feature. Now, privacy display is currently off. So if I turn my phone sideways, you can still see my screen. But if I turn on an app that I actually enabled, you'll see the screen disappears. Is that amazing or what? So if you're sitting in bed with your loved one and you don't want to bother them, well, you can use privacy display. Now, you can also enable privacy display when you're entering your PIN, if you have any notification pop-ups, or you can turn on privacy display for everything. So let's jump in. This will be a short one. I'll show you how to use privacy display. So here it is, the S26 Ultra in black. And I'm going to go ahead and set it up, and I'm going to show you how to use privacy display. Let me now show you how to use privacy display. Now to get at it, what you need to do is swipe down from the upper right-hand corner. If you swipe down from the upper left-hand corner, that's your notifications. So we're going to swipe down from the upper right-hand corner, and we're looking for privacy display where my finger is. So we're going to click on this. Now, privacy display can be used in a couple of ways. Number one, you can have everything be on privacy display. Every app you use, every notification, when you enter your password, you can do that. And all you want to do is turn it on, as you can see right there. And if you want maximum privacy protection, you would turn this on. And I will give you some demonstrations, so don't worry about that. Now, what if you don't want it on for everything, but you want it on for certain things? So let's turn it off. Now you can leave maximum on, but you can go into conditions. Now, as you can see here, there's a couple of options. And I'm going to zoom in a little more to show you them. So you can choose specific apps. You can choose only when you enter your PIN or your password. You can also choose notification pop-ups. So anytime you get a notification on Instagram or whatever, it'll automatically darken that part of the screen. So if I do PIN, right? Now let me zoom out and I'll demonstrate that. So I'm going to put the phone like this. I'm going to zoom in a little bit, right? So you're sitting next to me on a plane, and all of a sudden, let me turn off my phone. I'm just going to put it on standby. I'm going to click the button. I'm going to swipe up, and the screen turns black because it is now showing where I will enter my PIN. Hit OK, and the screen brightens back up. You see that? So that's how it would work with a PIN. Let me show you one other thing. Let's choose an app. So if I go into apps, and let's say I choose Google. So I'm going to turn on Google specifically. Again, you can turn on a couple. You can turn on Instagram. You can turn on whatever you want, and it'll only do it when you use those apps. So I'm going to back out of this. I'm going to turn the phone sideways. And here's Google. As soon as I hit Google, the screen will black out. If I put it back on the home screen, as you can see, so that's blacked out. Now I'll zoom out a little bit more. Now let's play around with what privacy looks like with maximum off and maximum on. So right now maximum is off. And that's what it looks like. If I turn maximum on, when I hit Google, it really looks very similar, at least on the camera. But again, you can choose apps. I'll bring this back up. So again, you can choose certain apps, you can choose your PIN, password, you can choose notifications, or again, if you want everything, just turn that on. And while I'm using the phone, no matter what I'm doing, whether I'm in my email or I'm looking at the alarm clock, it is going to be darkened. But if I turn it off, obviously now you could see when I'm in the alarm clock, when I'm on, well, Google's an app that's selected. Now don't forget, if you're laying in bed with your loved one and you don't want to bother them, turn on privacy mode. And when you're laying there using your phone, they actually see a dark screen. They don't see a screen that's lit up. So while you're looking at it, that's what you see. When they're laying next to you, that's what they see. It's pretty cool. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching our video. I sure hope you found it helpful. And if you did, give us a thumbs up. We'd appreciate that. I'm going to go ahead and put our social media up on top if you want to follow us. And you'll be able to subscribe to our channel by clicking this round Tech Made Easy logo. Guys, thank you so much and have a wonderful day.